Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best greenhouse in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. ABC Canopy Lean to Walk-in Greenhouse. Portable gardening greenhouse for indoor-outdoor, with 2 Tier 4 shelves, green PE cover. Large CA This greenhouse measures 80 L x 40 W x 85 The 4 sturdy shelves provide plenty of room for trays, pots, or planters of anything you want to grow. It's a convenient option for any gardener. Creates the perfect conditions for growing starting seedlings, young plants and flowers, and helps to extend plant growing seasons. HIGHT 1. This greenhouse has a zippered roll-up door for easy access and allows you to walk in. 2 roll-up windows allow for better air circulation and convection. Netting on the windows will protect your plants from pests. 3 to 8 stakes are included for stability. He has the assembly. No tools required. This portable greenhouse is easy to assemble. Simply follow the included instructions and make sure all tubes are fitted together with no gaps. All parts are detachable, so you can move the greenhouse as the seasons change. Number 2. Shelter Logic 6x8 x 6.5 Outdoor Organic Growers Greenhouse and Backyard Growhouse. Walk-in GREENHOUSA. Portable outdoor greenhouse features translucent cover with easy walk-in access with the double zippered front door. Durable steel frame. 1 to 3/8 steel frame with premium powder coat finish, resists chipping, peeling, rust, and corrosion. Pro TTTS plants. Triple layer, heat-bonded ripstop translucent cover is 4.5 ounces thick, waterproof, and UV treated inside and out, and designed specifically for plant growth and protection. Reduces HAORNFULRAYS. Translucent fabric allows a significant amount of diffused light to reach the plants, while reducing the amount of harmful UV light. Additionally, features quick snap roll-up side panels and half-moon-shaped zippered screens on both end panels, which adds airflow and temperature control. Number 1. VIQ Greenhouse for Outdoor 6x10 Polycarbonate Greenhouse Heavy Duty Aluminum Greenhouse Kit for Winter Plants with lockable door and adjustable roof vent, gray. 2 Estomizes Window Position. Different from other greenhouses, the window of our polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse with 4-position manual adjustable pulls for better ventilation, which can create an ideal growth environment for your plants. You can also customize the window to any roof panel according to your like. The 6x10 greenhouse has a large space that can accommodate enough plants and gardening tools. You can directly enjoy the fun of growing plant after assembly. OLOCKABLE Swing DOR. Unlike other polycarbonate greenhouses with sliding door, we upgraded the door for a swing-out lockable design, which makes it easier for you to walk into the greenhouse for daily use.